3 body washes that are just under 200 and smells absolutely amazing. Before we start, let's quickly understand the term surfactant so whatever I say next makes sense to you. Surfactants are the cleansing ingredients in a body wash. They remove dirt, oil, sweat and other impurities so everything rinses away with the water. In तीनों body washes में primary surfactant is SLES which is sodium lauryl sulfate. So they all cleanse effectively while producing a rich foamy leather making them perfect for daily use. First is this Nivea Water Lily and Oil Shower Gel which is enriched with vitamin C and E and I got it this one for just 134. It has a thick crystal clear gel-like texture with tiny yellow beads and that makes the shower experience feel really nice. I don't know तुम्हें दिख भी रहा है कि नहीं but look at these tiny yellow beads. It also has a mild floral fragrance. So if you are someone that does not like those strong fragrances then this one is for you. Now if you see the Inke list, the primary surfactant is SLES which is a strong cleanser that does most of the cleansing part. But at the same time SLS can also strip away your skin's natural oil leaving it feeling dry. So to reduce the dryness and the harshness caused by SLES, Nivea has added 3 milder surfactants. First cocamidopropyl benzene, decyl glucoside and capriol glucoside. Now these milder surfactants help to reduce the harshness of SLES while also gently cleansing the skin जिसकी वजह से post shower तुम्हारी skin soft और smooth रहेगी instead of feeling overly dry. The combination of stronger plus milder surfactant creates a well balanced surfactant system so you get effective cleansing without leaving your skin feeling overly dry or stripped. Another thing I really like about this product is that they have added 2 humectants, glycerin and mannitol that attracts and hold the water in the skin providing extra hydration so your skin doesn't feel tight after showering. This is such a great addition especially अगर तुम्हारी dry skin है तो. Now coming to the part, the product claimed to be enriched with vitamin C and E and yes the Inke list actually backs that up. The vitamin C is present in the form of sodium ascorbyl phosphate which is a stable vitamin C derivative. देखो pure vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten the skin and boost collagen production and etc. But since pure vitamin C can sometimes sting or irritate the skin, so इन्होंने इसका एक stable derivative use किया है sodium ascorbyl phosphate that will provide you almost the same antioxidant benefit while being much gentler on the skin. And the vitamin E is present in 2 forms, helianthus annuus seed oil which is nothing but sunflower seed oil and tocopherol. Now vitamin E is an excellent emollient as well as an antioxidant. Vitamin E helps to keep your skin soft and smooth. Overall I think this is a really well formulated body wash without any unnecessary तामझाम. If you have a dry skin you will really like this and of course normal and oily skin वाले तो use कर ही सकते हैं. Next is the Fiamma shower gel in the lemongrass and jojoba variant with skin conditioner. I got it for just ₹99. Before we talk about anything else, can we just appreciate how amazing this smells? It smells exactly like tropical fruit, so fresh and fruity. Honestly, once you shower with it, you will smell like a freaking fruit. You will definitely get compliments post shower. Out of all the variants, this one is my absolute favorite. It smells like a sweet fruit perfume kind and I absolutely love it. Look at this. It has this thick gel-like texture with tiny green beads. Just like Nivea, the primary surfactant is SLES. To reduce its harshness, they have added cacao midopropyl benzene, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, and PEG 7 glyceryl cocoid. Again, this creates a well-balanced surfactant system so your skin feels clean without feeling overly dry. This product contains a lot of good skin conditioning ingredients like glycerin, which is a humectant, lemongrass extract, which acts as an antioxidant, jojoba oil, which is an emollient rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, and seaweed extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient with antioxidant properties. Together, these ingredients helps to keep your skin soft and smooth after every shower. But there's a catch. If you look at the Inke list, lemongrass extract, jojoba oil, and seaweed extract appear much lower in the Inke list. So they are really likely present in a relatively smaller amount, so do not expect too much. After all, this is a rinse off product that stays on your skin just for a few seconds. Like glycerin is probably doing most of the hydration here while the other ingredients provide milder conditioning effect. Normal to dry skin, this body wash is definitely worth trying and honestly for just 99 it's a great deal. Next is the Lux body wash in the fresh aloe variant. I got this one for 99. It has slightly runny texture and smells exactly like a perfume. अभी मैं orchid वाला use कर रही हूँ and इसे भी मैं almost खत्म ही कर चुकी हूँ. Just like Nivea and Fiamma, this one also has a well-balanced surfactant system. So again, you get effective cleansing without leaving your skin feeling overly dry. The product also contain a lot of good skin conditioning ingredients, but if you look at the Inki list, most of them appear much lower down, so they are likely present in relatively small amounts. But there is one interesting ingredient here, benzoin phenol 4, which is a UV absorber. अब तुम सोच रहे होगे कि body wash में UV absorber का क्या काम? It's not there to protect your skin, it is there to protect the formulation from sunlight degradation, which helps to increase the product shelf life. And that's very thoughtful. I think this is another really good budget friendly body wash for all skin types. And अगर तुम एक ऐसे एरिया में रहते हो जहाँ हार्ड वाटर आता है, I did recommend choosing either Fiamma or Lux because both of them contain tetrasodium EDT, which is a chelating agent that binds the metal ion present in the hard water. This helps the body wash to perform better even in hard water. तो तुम्हारे hard water में तुम्हें foaming की और cleansing की कोई भी टेंशन नहीं होगी. Now it's time and switch to your body wash. इतने सस्ते में और इतने effective है. Okay.